what's the difference between the role of a tutor versus the role of a mentor. Yeah, the difference between tutor and mentor, I'm going to do a couple of minutes of the differences between these two roles. Hello, this is Jagan Mantha. I'm a mentor coordinator of BNI Galaxy chapter, Hyderabad East. I'm into third year of my BNI Galaxy, so I'm just trying to share explicit versus implicit mode of knowledge transfer. That's one of the main differences, because tutoring is something that is more explicit because it's all based on factual information exchange. So maths or science or languages, so particularly all these things are very, very suitable for engaging a tutor when you are lacking those information. But then mentoring is on the other extreme, because here the interchange is not just explicit information, it is more of values and emotions and beliefs that you need to soak in from the that's what gets exchanged between the mentee and mentor. So that requires a lot of psychological safety. It doesn't happen very, very easily. So that's why they require completely different approaches, tutoring and as well as mentoring. So I'm actually just doing this video as a way to put out my thoughts as well as receive valuable inputs from others also, who can actually share any best practices they might be following, because I'm interested in passing on to my own chapter members. So coming back to the topic of mentoring, obviously the space between mentor and mentee, that requires a lot of psychological safety. So that has to be earned. So it can be initially set up a little bit by the mentor coordinator, but it has to be earned as well, particularly between let's say a new member coming versus a mentor that gets assigned to him or her. So it's an important process for the chapter growth, because it really helps in the new member assimilation. So I'm actually trying to record this video to share this. So while tutor and mentor are two extremes in this particular continuum that I'm putting out as a graph, in between lies the space where a consultant or a coach comes in actually. So each one of us, we need to see in a given situation, are we in a consultant or coach? Are we actually trying to take on a mentoring kind of a responsibility? Are we in turn can actually really educate somebody by using a tutor approach? This is something that can dynamically be decided actually. So I just thought of I would do this particular recording using some of the visuals as well. Thank you. This is Jagan Mantha. Appreciate your time. I'm, by the way, a content writer who can help with diversified content needs out there. So writing gigs, that's my brand actually. Thank you.